please confirm. Please, yes, we start from the very basics.
Yes.
Yes.
Sure. We start from the very basics carefully. We're actually waiting for a few other attendees to join. I think. And we're all aware of SQL concepts, right? Everyone, please confirm, please. Yes, we're all
Yes.
aware of SQL concepts.
Yes.
Yes.
Basics should be fine. Yes. Perfect. So we are going to start from Power BI day one agenda. We'll start from the scratch. Let's do it carefully. I assume we're all very, very new to Power BI. It's a set of tools. It's a set of 7 different tools that we need to learn. Let's understand what is Power BI, why we need it. Okay, let's get it started slowly from scratch. We'll go for doubts, clarifications after some time. Let's understand first what it is and why we need it. If possible, try to get some observation notes, a scribbling pad and a pen if possible. Please, if possible, so that we can script down our keywords. You have the detailed notes anyway. Good to have your own observation notes as well. Let's get started. Let's understand what is Power BI, why we need it. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice classes and you need to assure me on-time practice. Yes, everyone, please. Yes, everyone, please.
Yes.
On-time
Yes.
practice, please. Yep. Others, please. Yes, you'll do on-time practice throughout the course, please. Others, please check your mic. Nauman Rashid, Sai Vera, please check your mic. Please check your mic. Please help me. Please check your mic. Let's be interactive.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Thank you, sir. Let's understand what is Power BI. A suite of business analytic tools that we are going to play with from tomorrow's class. I said 7 different tools that forms Power BI. And in this process, in our journey, next 3 to 4 weeks, we need to design reports, add color to the data, perform data analysis, understand the hidden trends of your data, observations, and we are going to learn something called dashboards, wherein multiple report elements will be taken to a single plate. Recipes, assume Power BI is a restaurant, it's a star hotel, okay? Power BI is a star hotel. Different restaurants give different recipes, Mexican, Chinese, Italian, multi-cuisine, etc., etc. There is barbecue also, really. I'll take you there in another 10 minutes. There is barbecue. Now, multiple recipes are the reports. The platter is a dashboard, as simple as that. And there is a buffet service, self-service BI, wherein we will be the chefs. We clean the data, we slice it and dice the data, and then get it ready for the actual end user consumption. In few other cases, we cook the data, Power Query, a nice cooking area, and again come back and present the data to the end users. They can decorate in their own way. I mean, end users can generate their own reports. So Power BI is not about designing the reports. Remember, end users can design the reports. There are good number of AI tools to design the reports. Python notebooks came up now with analytic activities. Scala notebooks have analytic extensions now. R, Excel, even SQL from Azure Data Studio tool and Visual Studio tool have analytic platform. So everywhere you have report activities. But the greatness of Power BI not about reporting. It's about accurate analysis and self-service BI. It's all about how carefully you handle the data, how carefully you decorate the data, clean, dice, and then decorate for easy end user analysis. There comes our actual course to beautify the data, to ensure proper analysis of our data. It should be formatted correctly, right? That is important. And there lies our actual course. I was mentioning something called restaurant. Why that comparison? And I was actually mentioning something called platter, dashboards. Why that comparison? Let's understand for next 10 minutes. Then we'll go for questions. Here it is. In our classes, we need to have 50 plus examples on Power Query, the kitchen area. Remember, kitchen area. Data would be extracted from various sources. Okay, data would be extracted from various sources, and we are supposed to do the data classification, data cleansing, data cleaning activities. We are supposed to perform the concept of something called as data mashup activities. So there comes Power Query. Remember, there is something called Power Query concept. Next, DAX. When Power Query is the kitchen area, DAX is the final garnishing activity. Trust me, it works. Final garnishing. The salt, the pepper, really, the extra decoration with half-boiled carrot or the raw onions, tomato, capsicum, etc. The decoration part, DAX will take care, and that is going to attract our customers. That is important, right? I take Insta pic and they say, wow, what about taste? That's different story again. That's how the things are now. It's all about the quality of data. I'm talking about the quality and the appearance. Both are important. Quality, Power Query will take care. Appearance, DAX will take care. And we have takeaway, dine-in, both services. Takeaway, cloud service. Chef don't know who is enjoying the actual dish. Takeaway, Swiggy. Or other one, dine-in, a la carte, dine-in. Dine out, easy diner. That is Power BI server. It's a restaurant. I repeat once again in a more simplified way. Our Power BI involves, I said 6 plus 1, 7 tools. I said, what are those 7 tools? Why we need it? Let's understand carefully. This is our end-to-end plan. Power BI is at the reporting layer, and we need Power Query to bring the data and format it. OLTP, data warehouse, Power Query requirement would be usually less. If the source is from OLTP or data warehouse, data engineering, this is actually the data engineer job role. This is from SQL Developer job role. If they supply data for us, Power Query role is really less because formatting, validations will be taken care by database itself. If the source is files, apps, websites, or other information like feeds, social platforms, or manual data insertions, etc., then we need more Power Query concepts. In real world, it comes everywhere. We have Power Query because we need to work with various types of data in our classes to get a colorful report. Next, from here, I said again, Power BI is a restaurant. Why? Let's see. Power BI is a suite of tools. Remember, Power BI is a suite of tools. And here it is. Give me 3 to 5 minutes time. Let's understand the beauty of Power BI first. Assume a star hotel once again. Veg, non-veg ingredients. Really, it works. Vegetarian ingredients, files, sources. Non-veg ingredients, bit costly, more heavy, database. But the tools are common. I said these are the restaurants at the star hotel, like multi-cuisine, desktop, the Italian, Mexican, Chinese, so on, so on. 6 different tools we need to learn. They come up with their own recipes. But 2 options for us, either takeaway or dine in. I mean cloud. The takeaway parcel is called app. Recipes, platters, and parcel. In dine-in, there is no parcel. It's an old military restaurant. There is no platter, only recipe, report. Simple. The barbecue I was talking about is the gateway for live data. Live data. If any change happens, either left file source or right database source, gateway can capture the data and serve it to the cloud. So we need to have total of 9 concepts in our classes from tomorrow. Out of 9, 8 no installation, but all other boxes installations required. So what are the prerequisites? How to get started with one? Let's go there slowly. First, let's understand what is Power BI and then proceed for these items one by one. Here it is. I'll take you to our notes. Let's start from introduction today. Tomorrow, basic reports. Then day after tomorrow, 2 concepts. Interactions and something called grouping binning. Next class, 2 more items, slicer, visual sync, hierarchies. Then next class again, filter, drill through. And once we learn all concepts, then comes synopsis. What is what and scenarios. Then comes something called bookmarks and buttons and big data access, visualizations. And I said 50 examples on Power Query, right? Here are they. 50 examples on Power Query, 50 examples on DAX, the garnishing area, and 50 examples on cloud, Power BI cloud, and report server. I said dine-in activity. So our course is bit lengthy, need your support. On-time practice required throughout the course. We are going to start installation from tomorrow. Today, let's have basic introduction part. Let's understand what is Power BI first. It is Power BI. Before Power BI, what is reporting? Reporting is a mechanism to access and present any type of data to end users. What is Power BI? A set of free tools to design reports, end-to-end implementations. End-to-end means right from data extraction to validation, report design, hosting, and end user access. Job roles, access data, and design reports. Perform data modeling, Power Query, perform ETL, and DAX, data analysis expression language, to compute and calculate. Then design dashboards, apps, and row level security, RLS. So our main job roles: access data, design reports, or access data, clean it, slice it, dice it, then design reports, Power Query. While designing the reports, you need to have computations, calculations like star ratings or any kind of analytic calculations like year-on-year sales, best month, or last top 2 months, etc. in terms of sales. Or we have something called DAX for the purpose of time intelligence and so on. So data sources will be submitted to Power Query. From there, we have formatted data to step into reporting, either cloud or report server. Two different hosting environments. From our both part of our course. So from classes, you can easily apply for any of these job roles. Data analyst needs Python additionally, BI developer, business analyst, data scientist, and data engineer. 3 certifications mentioned here, and those links from Microsoft site. Here is the complete training plan we need to implement. Right from non-database sources to report server. We need to learn all these items carefully. So make sure you revise SQL concepts, DML, select, constraints, joins, and basics of procedures enough. Revise them during your free time. Then let's start with Power BI and work on the project. Guidance. Software, I'll provide you the required. Make sure you have Windows 8 or higher operating system. Power BI cloud account, I will provide you. Daily assignments, please take them seriously. Need your support. I want you to do your best. Every week there will be assignment in the class. Let's do that way. Chapters 1 to 6, all about visualizations, basic reporting, drag and drop. Then comes 50 examples Power Query, 50 example DAX called data modeling. Then comes the serving area, Power BI report server and Power BI service. We'll take them slowly, step by step. With this information, now any questions, let me know. After we are done with our questions, I need to provide you the complete information on email and then start our actual classes one by one. Over to you now. Any questions, please let me know. I'll wait for some time, please.
So